me a favor, hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell icon and turn on post notifications. That way you can subscribe to the channel, because every day I give away free Litecoin to a random commenter who makes a comment question in the comment section below. You're going to receive free Litecoin. So let's go ahead and do that now before we get into things. I have the last video about Bitcoin going to 30,000. Let's load the comments, and only 10 people commented, so you got a real good chance of winning free Litecoin. So the random winner is Damien. Once again, Damien, you are one lucky guy. I think I've already given you like 30 or 40 bucks worth of Litecoin. So once again, Damien, here is your Litecoin, and done. So there we go, Damien. Appreciate you following the channel, and let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Today's Sunday around 4:30, and Bitcoin's trading around 16.5 right now, down from yesterday. It did hit around $17,000 mark yesterday. Ripple's up to 337, Ethereum 1100, Bitcoin Cash 28, Cardano dollar right now. Litecoin 289, Stellar Lumens 69 cents, and then IOTA 420. Tron, the big mover last week, is down to 17 cents. I think this got all the way up to 31, I think was the highest that it traded at, but that's seen a big correction. So yeah, let's see what the big movers are. Dentacoin, I think this is more of like a dental network coin. I've heard a few guys talking about it. I'm going to start looking into this coin a little bit. Kyber Network, KuCoin, Icon, Omisa Go, they're all the big movers on the day. And the big losers, Patcoin, Binance Coin, Dent Coin, Bitconnect, Kincoin, you know, a bunch of other Civic, Saycoin, Railblocks. But yeah, so the markets, they're going, you know, fairly decent. I think my portfolio within the last 2 to 3 days has gone up 15-20% each day. So it's really starting to give me a good return on all my investment money. So I'm really excited, really happy of how things have been going with my strategy for investing in Bitcoin. So let me go ahead and show you kind of what coins I'm looking at and going to be monitoring coming up in the next couple of days. I do coinigy accounts, so I really like the coinigy charts, and I think Cardano, as you can see, this is the hourly with Cardano. I think Cardano is a decent buy right now. I think we might get a little bit more pullback, but you never know. We did have 2 big run-ups here, and then we have a consolidation period here. And what's happened is it's caught up with the 200 and the 100 moving average. So I feel like we're going to go sideways a little bit, and then I think we're going to see an uptrend and start, you know, gaining some more momentum going into, you know, end of January, 1st of February. Another one, if you have Icon, I think it's a little bit oversold right now. I feel like a correction's coming. As you can see, Icon has just been killing it. I think we are going to see some of a correction here. We're trading way above the 100 and the 200. So I think we're going to see a correction if you're coming with Icon. Another one that I like, or I'm going to be watching, is Po coin. So as you can see, we had 2 big run-ups, okay? And what I'm hoping and what I'm thinking is going to happen, the wrong one, had these 2 big run-ups here, and then I think we're going to do another one just like this. So I'm going to continue to monitor this coin. We're actually, if you can see, get rid of that. When you see it catches up with the 100 moving average, each time it goes up. So we're about to catch up with it. The 200 is not far behind, so I think we're going to trade sideways here, and then I think we're going to make another run up. So these 2 coins, keep them close. close watch on them. I think could have some potential to swing trade these coins a little bit. And also Tronics. Let's talk about Tronics. So as you know, Tronics had this huge, massive run up from, you know, 200 Satoshis all the way up to 2,000. So a 10x within the last 2 or 3 days. So as you can see, it was really oversold. It's catching up with the 100-day now, not far behind the 200. And as you can see, within the last hour, we are starting to see some move on Tron. So do I like Tron? No, but a lot of people don't know what Tron is, and a lot of people are trading right now that don't know what all these coins are. They're just putting money into coins and pretty much a crapshoot, hoping for the best. I do think Tron will trade sideways a little bit, and I do think we're going to see another pump from Tron. So keep a close eye on that as well. Another let's look at Stellar Lumens. I think this right now is a good buy. If you can see, had a huge run up. Was trading well above the 200. It's actually below the 200 now, so I think we are going to get some upswing. Consolidate on that average between the 200 and the 100, and then maybe make another, jump up, or it could, correct as well. So, but those coins are going to be the coins that I'll be watching over the next couple days, few weeks. So what I'm actually doing, my investment strategy is I invested into Bitconnect. I use that money that Bitconnect pays me daily, and I reinvest into other altcoins. This is day 53, I think, or 51 with Bitconnect, and as you can see, I've had a total of $6,983 paid back to me, and that was off of total investment right now is 12,460. You did probably heard about the state of Texas issuing an assist and desist order to Bitconnect. It's still in the air right now of what's going on. When I last logged in yesterday, it did make me put in the state that I live in. Of course, I live in Texas, so what it said was I couldn't relend back to Bitconnect, but my daily withdrawals would be continued to be paid out. And of course, they did pay me out. They paid me out 100 and something yesterday, and I transferred it over and invested into a little bit of Redcoin actually. But this is still performing good. I don't think Bitconnect's going anywhere. There's a lot of people fearing FUD, but I think Bitconnect's going to be around to stay. They're about to launch their ICO, which I think is going to be an exchange platform. So I'm waiting to see what's coming out with that, and I'll update the channel when that news comes available. Also, what I do is I get payouts daily from Hashflare. Hashflare is a cloud mining site that pays you out daily in Bitcoin on the amount of power terahash that you have. So I've purchased 74 terahash of cloud mining power, and my daily payouts are 179. And just be mindful that this is before a maintenance fee. So actually, I'm getting about 160 bucks a day right now since Bitcoin difficulty went down and the price has risen a couple thousand since last week. It was averaging around 130 last week. Now it's back up to 160. As Bitcoin grows and goes up, this will go up as well. So super excited about that. I have a couple of Genesis mining contracts that are going to start into February, which is, I have over there on Genesis, we'll have 164,000 or 164 terahash, and that will be pretty much almost 3 times my power. So I should be receiving $500-600 a day from just mining. Then I'm gonna be putting that into altcoins and letting that grow. So and that's pretty much what I'm doing. My portfolio has grown tremendously the month and a half, 2 months that I've been doing it this way, and I'm going to continue to invest with this strategy because it's working well. Getting into some day trading as well, some swing trades, more swing trading than day trading. So I'm going to update channels. Follow me on Twitter. that's where I'm going to release coins like I've just talked about. If I see something that's going to go well, I'm going to tweet them out so my followers can look into that coin and see if they need to get in or look into it more deeply. So that's it for the channel. Zoe, dog's going crazy. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'm going to show you tomorrow. I'm going to do more of a, I think, an altcoin, my future picks for January, my best altcoins for January. So make sure you check that video out. All right, guys, talk to y'all later.